Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to T. Let's Get 10 Adventures, here with an unboxing of the new OnePlus Buds in white color. So let's check it out. Alright, so got some little cardboard in here, some foam, little packing slip in the box. Here's your buds. OnePlus Buds. Easy to use, sound quality, environmental noise cancellation, 38 hours endurance with warp charge. Yeah, easy to use, all that good stuff. Okay, nice little OnePlus packaging with the red on white as always. Okay, let's check it out. So I obviously have the Pixel Buds, which are awesome. But I'm running a OnePlus phone now, so I wanted to try something else out. So let's check out what's in the box. Alright, so you got your OnePlus Buds right here. Has some plastic coating around it. Set your music free. Okay, so inside the box, got your manuals on how to use them, as well as more manuals, probably warranty guide, and your classic OnePlus Type-C charger for it. Type-C, you just plug it in and then there you go to charge it. So let's check these out. Alright, so open them up, lights up. Here are the buds itself. Pretty nice. Right off the bat, the case does feel a little cheaper compared to the Pixel Buds. Pixel 2 Buds. Pixel 2 Buds have that nice little snap. These do, but not as magnetic, I guess you'd say. Yeah, manual pairing with OnePlus phone, so you just turn it on, open it up, and go. We'll show you how to do it right now. Okay, we're back. We're going to hook these bad boys up. So, Bluetooth on, open them up, pair new device, and there we go. Pixel Buds connecting. This is real-time connectivity right here for the buds. So then, yeah, connected. Let's see what else it has. Left case, left buds, right buds case. Obviously, this is my wife's phone. These are hers. So hooking them up on those. Case comes charged 80%, and you got 100% on both sides. Let's see, you got audio, AAC, phone calls, media, and contact sharing if you want to have the buds on for it. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty neat, super easy. I know if you have not a OnePlus phone and you have another phone you want to hook them up, there's a little pairing button in the back here. You just hold it down and it'll light up flash white to use them. Again, the buds almost look like iPhone ones. Pixel ones are smaller for sure. I gotta get used to these. I'll roll these a couple of days and then I'll do a comparisons video with the Pixel Buds and these as well for sound quality and all that. But yeah, this is just an unboxing of the new OnePlus Buds. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for the comparisons video that I will do against the Pixel 2 Buds and the OnePlus Buds. Have a good one. Bye.